How to fix 1010 app not working. What's up everyone, welcome to the video. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily fix if your 1010 app is not working. So this is a app where you can add friends and connect with them. So if you're not able to use this app, then I'm going to show you what you can do. So you can find this both on App Store and Play Store as well. So once you have downloaded the app, you can see different options right here. So if you are not able to use it properly, so first thing you want to do is head over and go to its app info. Once your app info is open, head over down to the storage section and make sure to clear cache, because there might be some junk files that are not letting you use the app properly. And after this, just scroll up and until you see permissions. Make sure that all of these permissions are allowed as well, because the app requires these permissions to run smoothly. And the most important step is head over to battery. Make sure that it's not on restricted. So if it's on restricted, then the app won't be able to function properly and phone will restrict some kind of users on the background. Make sure it's on unrestricted or optimized. And after you do that, give your phone a quick restart and then you should be good to go. If you found the video helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.